Did you know that just one clogged fuel injector can reduce your engine's performance by more than 30% and wreck your fuel economy by up to 50% while leaving you completely in the dark with no check engine light? That's how critical this tiny part is. It may be small, but it greatly impacts how smoothly and efficiently your engine runs. In this video, we'll break down the 11 key symptoms of a bad or clogged fuel injector, how to properly inspect and diagnose it, and what practical fixes you can try before it drains your wallet and ruins your engine. But first, what is a fuel injector? A fuel injector is a small electronically controlled device with a nozzle for spraying fuel and a connector that links to the engine's computer. It contains a spring-loaded valve and a fine mesh filter to regulate flow and block debris. And what exactly does it do? Think of the fuel injector as a precision sprayer. Its job is to spray a fine pressurized mist of fuel into the combustion chamber at exactly the right moment and in exactly the right amount. This mist mixes with air and combusts, creating the power your engine needs to move. In gasoline engines, fuel injectors are located under the fuel rail near the intake manifold. In diesel engines, they're mounted directly into the cylinder head, but when the injector gets dirty or clogged, it can't spray evenly. Instead of a fine mist, you get a sputtering stream, or worse, no fuel delivery at all. Stick around till the end because we're dropping a powerful bonus tip that could save your fuel injectors and your wallet from future trouble. Symptom 1. Engine misfires or rough idle. When a fuel injector gets clogged or fails, it can't deliver the precise amount of fuel needed for complete combustion in that specific cylinder. This creates an imbalance in power output across the engine, leading to engine misfires. You'll notice the car shaking or vibrating more than usual when idling or driving, particularly when stopped at traffic lights. The engine might feel like it's missing a beat, and the RPM needle could bounce erratically. Misfires not only affect drivability, but also stress other components like the spark plugs, ignition coils, and catalytic converter. If left unrest, prolonged misfiring can lead to overheating and permanent internal damage. The vehicle's onboard diagnostics might not immediately flag a misfire if it's intermittent, making it even more important to pay attention to subtle changes in idle quality or engine smoothness. Symptom 2. Fuel leaks. One clear sign of a bad or clogged fuel injector is a fuel leak. Over time, the injector's seals or body can crack due to age, heat, or pressure buildup, allowing fuel to seep out. This leak usually appears around the injector rail or near the engine and may give off a strong fuel smell. In some cases, you might even see visible fuel stains or wet spots under the hood. Beyond the safety risk, fuel leaks affects engine performance and fuel efficiency, often leading to increased fuel consumption and potential engine damage. Symptom 3. Poor acceleration and throttle lag. Another classic sign of a clogged injector is a sluggish throttle response. When you press the accelerator, the engine demands more fuel instantly, but if one or more injectors can't keep up, you'll experience hesitation, jerking, or flat spots during acceleration. It can feel like your car is thinking about going before actually responding. And in traffic or while merging, that delay can be dangerous. This lack of power is especially noticeable under heavy loads like going uphill, towing, or overtaking. You may find yourself pressing harder on the gas pedal than usual with disappointing results. Even with the pedal to the floor, the car feels like it's struggling to breathe, and that's because it is. Inconsistent fuel delivery leads to weak combustion cycles, robbing the engine of torque and efficiency. Symptom 4. Increased fuel consumption. If you're filling up more often without driving more, your fuel injectors could be to blame. A partially clogged injector may cause uneven spraying, forcing the ECM to overcompensate by adding more fuel. Meanwhile, a leaking injector can continuously dump fuel into the cylinder, creating a rich mixture. Running rich not only wastes fuel, it also damages the catalytic converter, increases emissions, and leads to carbon buildup. Even if your car passes emissions now, unburned fuel can eventually destroy sensors and cause repairs. Keeping an eye on your fuel economy is a smart way to catch injector issues early. Before we dive into the next symptoms, take a second to hit the like button and subscribe. It's the easiest way to stay updated and keep your engine running smoothly all year long. Now let's get into the most serious signs of a bad or clogged fuel injector. Symptom 5, hard starting or no start condition. If your car struggles to start in the morning or after sitting for a while, a clogged or stuck injector might be to blame. When fuel can't make it to the combustion chamber, there's nothing to ignite, no combustion, no engine start. This issue is often confused with problems in the ignition system or battery, which can lead to unnecessary part replacements. In severe cases, the engine might crank but never turn over. A quick test using starter fluid sprayed into the intake can help isolate the problem. If the engine fires up briefly and dies, that means air and spark are working fine, and the issue is almost certainly fuel-related. Symptom 6, raw fuel smell. Fuel injectors can fail in two ways, by clogging or leaking. If they leak externally, fuel escapes the injector seal or the rail connection. This can create a raw gasoline smell, especially near the hood or cabin vents. Leaks are a major safety hazard. Gasoline is highly flammable, and a fuel leak near hot engine components can easily lead to an underhood fire. Sometimes the leak is internal, meaning the injector is dripping fuel into the cylinder, even when it's not supposed to. This can cause cylinder wash, where excess fuel strips protective oil from the cylinder walls, accelerating engine wear. If your engine bay smells like fuel after shutdown, or if you see damp spots near the injectors, shut the engine off immediately and investigate the leak before driving again. Symptom 7, check engine light and trouble codes. While not always immediate, a bad injector will often trigger your check engine light. Once the issue becomes frequent enough to disrupt performance, misfire codes like P0301 to P0308 tell you which specific cylinder is affected. A lean condition on one bank, P0171 or P0174, suggests the fuel-air mixture is off, possibly due to underperforming injectors. P02000 to P00208 directly indicate injector circuit faults. These codes aren't just suggestions. They're your car's way of screaming for help. Ignoring them can result in worse fuel economy, failed emissions, and additional system stress. Before replacing anything, always scan the car with an OBD2 tool. We've linked one of the best OBD2 scanners in the description to help you get started. Symptom 8, knocking, pinging, or detonation. Detonation, heard as knocking or pinging, happens when fuel ignites too early or unevenly in the combustion chamber. A faulty injector can trigger this by delivering fuel at the wrong time or in the wrong amount, throwing off combustion and creating damaging shock waves. Left unchecked, detonation can melt pistons, crack cylinder walls, or damage valve seats. While some drivers try to mask the issue with higher octane fuel, the real culprit could be an injector causing lean or uneven mixtures. If you hear knocking during acceleration or under load, it's a clear sign your injectors need attention. Symptom 9, black smoke from exhaust. If your car spews black smoke from the exhaust, especially during acceleration, you likely have a fuel injector stuck open. This causes excess fuel to leak into the cylinder and burn incompletely, producing thick black soot. Over time, this soot can foul spark plugs, clog the catalytic converter, and contaminate O2 sensors, leading to poor fuel trim adjustments, reduced engine efficiency, and noticeable power loss. Symptom 10, failed emissions test. Clogged or leaking fuel injectors disrupt combustion, causing your engine to emit excess hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen oxides, key pollutants targeted by your emission system. If your vehicle fails an emissions test due to high HC or CO levels, don't immediately blame the catalytic converter or O2 sensors. Dirty injectors could be the real issue. A fuel system cleaner might help temporarily, but persistent problems may require deep cleaning or injector replacement. How to inspect your fuel injectors. 1. Listen for clicking sounds. Use a mechanic stethoscope or a long screwdriver. Place it on each injector while the engine runs. A healthy injector makes a soft, rhythmic click, click sound. Silence. It's stuck. 2. Check spray pattern. Remove the injector and connect it to a cleaning duct test kit. It should spray in a fine, even cone-shaped mist. If it dribbles or sprays erratically, it's clogged. 3. Fuel pressure test. Low pressure may mean clogged injectors, but it could also be a bad fuel pump or pressure regulator. Use a fuel pressure gauge and compare readings to your vehicle's specifications. Can you clean instead of replace injectors? Absolutely, especially for mild to moderate clogging. Option 1. Additives like seafoam, Techron, or Lucas into your gas tank can help clear minor buildup. Option 2. Use a pressurized fuel injector cleaning kit that connects directly to the fuel rail. These deliver strong detergents under pressure. Great for stubborn gunk. Option 3. For severe cases, bench cleaning with ultrasonic tools is the most effective method, but usually requires a pro. If none of these work, the injector may be mechanically stuck or damaged, and replacement is your only option. Maintenance tips to keep injectors healthy. Use top-tier fuel with detergent additives. Add injector cleaner every $5,000 minute. Replace the fuel filter every $20,000 to $30,000 minute. Keep your fuel tank above 1/4 full. Sediment settles at the bottom. Get professional injector cleaning every 30,000 to 50,000 miles for preventive care. How much does it cost to replace a fuel injector? The price ranges from $150 to $500 depending on your vehicle's make and model. This includes the cost for parts and labor. The parts cost between $60 to $200, while labor costs range from $100 to $300 depending on the engine layout. We've just covered the symptoms of a bad fuel injector, the common error codes, and how to test for injector issues. To keep your car running smoothly, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've experienced any of these symptoms or have questions. And watch out next video on the symptoms of a bad fuel pressure regulator. It could save you from costly repairs. And that's it. Now you know the 11 key symptoms of a bad or clogged fuel injector, how to test them, and the fixes that can save you hundreds, even thousands, in repair bills. Most drivers never learn this until it's too late, but now you're ahead of the game. That's what we do here at Car Fix Free. Give you the truth mechanics won't share, so you can keep your car running strong without draining your wallet. If this video helped you, just wait until the next one. We're breaking down the symptoms of a bad fuel pressure regulator, another hidden problem that can mimic injector failure and cost you a fortune if you don't catch it in time. So hit like, smash that subscribe, and ring the bell, because every video we drop gives you the power to outsmart the shop and extend the life of your car. This is Car Fix Free, saving you money one repair at a time. See you in the next video.